everyone! Today I'm going to make a personal-sized chocolate caramel cake. You can find a list of ingredients in the description box. First, we need 1 large egg and 3 tablespoons sugar. Whisk and dissolve the sugar. Once the sugar has dissolved, add 3 tablespoons milk. Mix well. Grab another clean bowl and combine all dry ingredients. Before adding to the egg mixture, sieve the dry ingredients to avoid lumps. You don't have to force mashing hard lumps and just move on. Whisk to combine. Lastly, add 3 tablespoons unsalted butter. I don't have a small baking pan, so I'm using a 9 cm ramekin. Set the oven to 180 degrees and bake for 20 to 25 minutes. Once cooled down, trim the cake and cut it horizontally into 2. For this cake, I'm going to brush each part with vanilla syrup. I'm doing this to create more flavor and keep it moist. Now let's add a generous amount of caramel sauce. I will link my caramel sauce recipe in the description box. In today's video, I'm going to decorate my cake using a chocolate ganache. You can find my chocolate ganache recipe in the description box. If you like this video, please support me by subscribing to this channel. Thank you so much for watching.